Before we dive into hands-on examples, let's take a moment to understand what SQL is and why it is important. Today, businesses generate and rely on enormous volumes of data from customer transactions, inventory, user activity to operational metrics. That's where SQL or structured query language comes in. It is the standard language used to interact with relational databases, helping us query, update, and manage data. Whether you're building a dashboard, generating reports, or supporting decision making, SQL gives you the tool to work directly with the data. In this session, we will explore how SQL works, what makes it powerful, and how you can use it to extract meaningful insights from complex data sets. Now let's talk about setting up MySQL, one of the most popular open source relational database system. You will have to download the MySQL installer from the official website and follow the instructions. If there's any issue or if instructions aren't clear, I am available in WhatsApp at the number provided. For practice, you will also need a demo data sheet and the download link, which is also provided. Okay, the moment you click My SQL link, you will be taken to this particular page here. This is mysql.com. Here you will have to go to the download menu, click and browse down. At the end, you will get MySQL community downloads. Click on it. There you will have the MySQL installer for Windows, right? So you click on it, and depending upon the configuration of your PC, you would be downloading any one of this. Once you download, then further you will be guided into the installing of the entire MySQL workbench. In case of doubt, please revert back. You got my email as well as the mobile number displayed on top left corner. Okay, once you have downloaded the demo file datasheet in your system, we will see how this can be imported into the MySQL workbench. You come here to MySQL connection and click. It opens up a window where you have administration and schemas. Under schemas, you will find there's a demo file already existing. This is because I have already imported it here. In your case, it will be blank. So you have to go to administration, click on it, and there the options given, you have data import, click on it. It will open up another two options. One is import from dump project folder and another is from self-contained file. Now in your case, you have kept it in a folder in your system. So I click it here, then you go press this three buttons. It will take you to the folder and you will have to search for where you have saved the demo file. Click on it. It gets loaded here. Now all you have to do is start importing. Once you press this, the entire demo file will get downloaded here in your schemas. In my case, I have already done it, so I'm not going to start import again. So far, you will be able to get this demo file into the MySQL workbench. Okay, before I start the hand holding demo, it is important for you to understand what this MySQL workbench consists of. Primarily, they've got the menu bar. Menu bars have got full features. Most of them you'll be using, and some of them are left for the developers. The next one is the toolbar shortcut, which are obtained from the main menu bar. Like for example, if you go to File and click on New Tab Query, it opens up a new tab query here. SQL file 15. The same action can be performed by the shortcuts. You click this SQL, it opens up another file as SQL file 16. Then we have this navigator. Navigators are primarily a space where you have various schemas or the database imported into. Right? In my case, there is a demo file, there's a sales DB table which has been imported into. It's basically both of them are database which have been imported into this particular workspace. It also has got the administration tab, which has got various other features which we will come to as and when we progress and the required details are to be explained. Now, if you see the demo file and click on the geo, you have this information window which opens up and talks about various information that the geo table has. Like for example, it's got geo ID, it's got geo, and it's got a region, right? If you click on the table here, you will get to know that they have got three columns with geo ID as the PK. PK is primary key. What it means and where it is going to be used, we will see that. Similarly, come to people and click it, you get the details of the people. SPID is the primary key. In product, the PID is a primary key. And when you come to the sales, you will find all three primary keys of three tables are here, which means if you have to link them, you need one of the primary keys. Then we have this query editor where you are going to code. This is the coding area. The moment you code and execute the command, you will get the results in the result area. And this is the action output window, which tells you whether your code has been successfully generated or not. Here it has been successfully generated and the detail is it's got 6 rows in return. The action is complete and it's successful. Suppose it is not successful, I make a mistake. I have made some mistake. Firstly, you will have this icon coming up telling you that there is a mistake. It is an instant pop-up, which means there's some mistake in this line. And if you further run it, then you'll have another error code popping up which says there's something wrong in your command or the coding. So this is the action output area. And here we have the context help in case you want to go and see what select is. Then it gives all the details about select, the syntax, and as also you can go to the website by clicking this link and getting to know more details if you want. So snippets are primarily SQL libraries that you have made for yourself. Like in my case, I have made this snippets just to tell you this is one snippet. If I run it, you will get the entire code as also the results. You can make such codes and store it here in your library to be randomly picked up whenever you want them to be executed, right? Then these are the self-explanatory menus just to hide or unhide in case you're going to need more workspace. You may want to remove all this and work only with the query editor. So if you're clear with this, then we will go to the next step.